Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a DIY protein hair mask. I also use this mask once a week and it provides a lot of strength and extra shine to my hair. And for this mask you only need a few ingredients that are easily available in your kitchen cabinet. So let's discuss the ingredients one by one. Our first and main ingredient in this protein hair mask is the egg. Egg basically strengthens your hair, and as egg contains the egg yolk, which have a good source of fatty acids that make your hair look super glossy and super shiny. It also protects the hair loss, and it will present in almost every kitchen cabinet. So take a whole egg and place it over there. So moving towards our next ingredient, which is basically the hair oil, and here I'm gonna use the Vatika hair oil. This is basically the olive oil, and it will provide some extra nourishment and protection to your hairs. You can use any kind of the hair oil that you would love, like you can use coconut oil instead of using this Vatika oil. Vatika have so many hair oils. Basically they have a lot of variety in their hair oil range. Basically they have cactus oil, they have mustard oil, almond oil. You can check out their hair oil. So this is the second ingredient, so place it over there. Moving towards the next one. So moving towards our third ingredient, which is basically the conditioner. Here I'm going to use the advanced hair fall solution conditioner by Pantene. It's so affordable and I love to use it. You can use any kind of the hair conditioner that you have. It's basically very affordable, and it's worth buying. Yes, it will give extra shine to your hair. So moving towards the last ingredient, which is this vitamin E capsule, 400 gram. It's basically avian capsules, and you can easily get these capsules from any of the pharmacy or medical store. It's easily available and it's very cheap and affordable. You can get only in just 50 to 60 rupees. You can get this whole pack, in which you can get 10, I think so, yes, 10 capsules. So this is our fourth and last ingredient. Now let's start to make our protein hair mask. So the consistency of this hair mask should be like this. Apply this mask from middle end to ends and massage gently all over your hair and leave it for at least 1 to 2 hours. And you'll get amazed by the results. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.